of building 6-bedroom duplex here in Nigeria in January 2025. In this video, I'm going to give you the estimated quantity of materials needed, estimated cost of materials, and cost of labor. Now, I want you to know that this is not the exact estimate you will need for your own 6-bedroom duplex, okay? Because estimate can be high or low depending on the following factors. One, the location of your building. The cost of building this 6-bedroom duplex here in Delta State, Nigeria is different from the cost of building in Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, or anywhere else in Nigeria. Another thing is the topography of the land. Are you building on a valley or on a mountain area or around bodies of water or on a plain land? Okay, building on a plain land is way more better. Another thing is the type of soil. Are you building on a loamy soil, clay soil, or sandy soil? Loamy soil is the best type of soil for building. Another thing is the construction method. The construction method my engineer used might be different from the construction method your engineer is going to use. Okay, another thing is the size of the building. If the size of my own 6-bedroom duplex is different from the size of your own, it's going to cost us different amounts of money. Another thing is the design. If the design of my own 6-bedroom duplex is different from your own design, it's going to cost us different amounts of building, okay? Even if it's the same 6-bedroom duplex you are building, okay? Another thing is the cost of building materials. The cost of building materials as at the time you're building. Here in Nigeria, cost of building materials always fluctuates, okay? It's always fluctuating. The cost of building materials in December 2024 is not the cost of building materials now in January 2025. So yeah, but the best way to get a very close build quantity or quotation is from your building plan. Once you get your building plan from your architect, you hand it over to your quantity surveyor. From the building plan, your quantity surveyor should be able to derive a very close quotation for the building, but it is always advisable you leave room for errors, okay? Leave room for errors even if you're working with the best quantity surveyor in the world, okay? And aside from that, during the course of building, you might tweak things here and there, okay? So always budget more than you are told, okay? Let's say they tell you it's 50 million, at least budget 51 million naira or 52 million naira, okay? This particular estimate I got from my engineer Mewerium. If you need a very good engineer to handle your building projects here in Nigeria, his phone number will always be on the screen, also in the description box. I highly recommend him, okay? Now let's move over to the building. This 6-bedroom duplex is sitting on 40 by 80 feet piece of land. 40 by 80 feet, that is if you are using feet. Then if you are using meters, it's 12 meter by 24 meters, 12 meters by 24 meters, and then it's 288 square meters if you are using square meters. That is the size of this particular 6-bedroom duplex. Now the features of this particular 6-bedroom duplex: we have the entrance pouch, the ante room, the main lounge, the dining, the kitchen, 3 bedrooms all en suite, the laundry, the staircase, the verandas, the lobby, and the visitors toilet, okay? The visitors toilet. And then the first floor, we have the family lounge, the master's bedroom en suite, 2 bedrooms en suite, 2 bedrooms all en suite, then the balconies, gallery, and the lobby, okay? Those are the features of this particular 6-bedroom we are building. Now let's move over to the foundation, from foundation to DPC for 6-bedroom duplex, okay? From foundation to DPC for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 6 inches hollow block, 1,500 pieces of 6 inches hollow block, and a piece costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 1,500 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. 1,200,000 naira. We need cement. 100 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 100 is giving us 950,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 3 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 210,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 340,000 naira. We need board, 100 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 16 mm rod, 60 length of 16 mm rod, and a length costs 16,500 naira. So 16,500 multiplied by 60 is giving us 990,000 naira. We need 12 mm rod, 60 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 60 is giving us 570,000 naira. We need 2 by 2 wood. 10 pieces of 2 by 2 wood and a piece of 2 by 2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 10,000. 1,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 10,000 naira. We need 8 rod, 25 length of 8 rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 25 is giving us 100,000 naira. We need 9 inches block, 9 inches hollow block, and we need 1,500 pieces of 9 inches hollow block, and one piece of 9 inches hollow block costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 1,500 is giving us 1,500,000 naira. 1,500,000 naira. So for the foundation to DPC for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 6,277,000 naira. 6,277,000 naira. So then the workmanship, we need 1,500,000 naira. 1,500,000 naira. So when you add 1,500,000 naira to 6,277,000 naira is giving us 7,777,000 naira. 7,777,000 naira. Now let's move over to the German floor. The German floor for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need laterites, that is the filling sand. We need 50 trips of laterites, and one trip costs 40,000 naira. 40,000 multiplied by 50 is giving us 2 million naira. We need cement. We need 60 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 60 is giving us 570,000 naira. We need gravel. 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 2 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. 170,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 340,000 naira. We need sharp sand. 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 140,000 naira. So for the German floor for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 3,050,000 naira. 3,050,000 naira. Then the workmanship for this German floor, we need 400,000 naira. So 400,000 plus 3,050,000 naira is giving us 3,450,000 naira. That is what we need, 3,450,000 naira for the German floor. Now let's move over to the ground floor. The ground floor for this particular 6-bedroom duplex, we need 6 inches block, 6 inches hollow block. We need 1,500 pieces of 6 inches hollow block, and a piece costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 1,500 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. 1,200,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 5 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 5 is giving us 350,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel. We need 2 trips, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 340,000 naira. We need cement. We need 100 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 100 is giving us 950,000 naira. We need board. 100 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 16 rod, 60 length of 16 rod, and a length costs 16,500 naira. So 16,500 multiplied by 60 is giving us 990,000 naira. We need 12 rod, 60 length of 12 rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 60 is giving us 570,000 naira. We need 8 rod, 30 length of 8 rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 120,000 naira. We need 2 by 2 wood, 10 pieces of 2 by 2, and a piece of 2 by 2 costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 10,000 naira. We need 1 by 6, 20 pieces of 1 by 6, and a piece of 1 by 6 costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 60,000 naira. We need 1 by 5, 20 pieces of 1 by 5, and a piece of 1 by 5 costs 1,500 naira. So 1,500 multiplied by 20 is giving us 30,000 naira. We need 1 by 9, 20 pieces of 1 by 9, and a piece of 10 pieces of 1 by 9, and a piece of 1 by 9 costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 30,000 naira. We need 9 inches hollow block, 1,500 pieces of 9 inches hollow block, and a piece costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 1,500 is giving us 1,500,000 naira. 1,500,000 naira. So for the ground floor for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 6,557,000 naira. 6,557,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 1 million naira for workmanship. So 1 million naira plus 6,557,000 naira is giving us 7,557,000 naira. 7,557,000 naira for the ground floor. Now let's move over to the decking. The decking for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need board, 300 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 300 is giving us 900,000 naira. We need 12 rod, 250 length of 12 rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 250 is giving us 2,375,000 naira. We need 16 rod, 60 length of 16 rod, and a length costs 16,500 naira. 16,500 naira multiplied by 60 is giving us 990,000 naira. We need bamboo. We need 150 length of bamboo, 150 pieces of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 150 is giving us 105,000 naira. We need gravel, the chippings, 4 trips of the chippings, the gravel we need, and that costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 4 is giving us 680,000 naira. We need cement, 250 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 250 multiplied by 9,500 is giving us 2,375,000 naira. We need 2x2 wood, 100 pieces of 2x2, and a piece of 2x2 costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 100,000 naira. We need 1x5, 40 pieces of 1x5, and a piece of 1x5 costs 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira multiplied by 40 is giving us 60,000 naira. 60,000. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000, giving us 35,000. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35, giving us 35,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000. We need 2 inches nail, 1 bag of 2 inches nail, that costs 35,000, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 8 rod, 25 length of 8 rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira, giving us, so 4,000 multiplied by 25 is giving us 100,000 naira. We need sharp sand. We need 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 4 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 280,000 naira. Is giving us 280,000 naira. So for the decking, we need a total of 8,107,000 naira. 8,107,000 naira. And for the decking, we need 1 million naira for workmanship. For workmanship, we need 1 million naira. So when you add 1 million naira to 8,107,000 naira, is giving us 9,107,000 naira. 9,107,000. Now let's move over to the parapet. The parapet for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need cement. 40 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 40 is giving us 380,000 naira. We need gravel, the chippings, okay, the chippings. We need 2 trips, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 340,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 6 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 140,000 naira. We need 12 rod, 40 length of 12 rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 40 is giving us 380,000 naira. We need 10 rod, 40 length of 10 rod, and a length costs 8,000 naira. 8,000 naira multiplied by 40 is giving us 320,000 naira. We need 8 rod, 30 length of 8 rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. 4,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 120,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 1x4 wood. We need 100 pieces of 1x4, and a piece of 1x4 costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 120 is giving us 96,000 naira. We need 1x3, 150 pieces of 1x3, and a piece of 1x3 costs 1,600. So 1,300 naira multiplied by 50 is giving us 195,000 naira. 195,000 naira. We need board, 80 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 80 is giving us 240,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail, 1/2 bag of 2 inches nail, and the half bag costs 17,500, giving us 17,500. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35, giving us 35,000 naira. We need bamboo, 45 pieces of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 45 is giving us 31,500 naira. 31,500 naira. Then we need 2 by 2 wood. 2 by 2 wood, 45 pieces of 2 by 2, and a piece of 2 by 2 costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 45 is giving us 45,000 naira. 45,000 naira. So for the parapet for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 2,411,500 naira. 2,411,500 naira. And then for the workmanship, we need 700,000 naira. 700,000 naira for the workmanship. So when you add 700,000 naira to 2,411,500 naira, we have 3,111,500 naira. 3,111,500 naira. Now let's move over to the roofing. That is the woodwork. For the roofing, we need 2 by 4 wood. 2 by 4 wood, 400 pieces of 2 by 4 wood, and a piece of 2 by 4 wood costs 2,000 naira. 2,000 multiplied by 400 is giving us 800,000 naira. We need 2 by 2 wood, 350 pieces of 2 by 2 wood, and a piece costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 350 is giving us 350,000 naira. We need 2 by 3, 300 pieces of 2 by 3, and a piece of 2 by 3 costs 1,600 naira. So 1,600 multiplied by 300 is giving us 480,000 naira. We need 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 250 pieces of 3 by 4, and a piece of 3 by 4 costs 1,800 naira. 1,800. So 1,800 naira multiplied by 350 is giving us 450,000 naira. 450,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. So for the roofing for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 2,150,000 naira. 2,150,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 500,000 naira. 500,000. So 500,000 plus 2,150,000 naira is giving us 2,650,000 naira. 2,650,000. Now the roofing sheets. The roofing sheets, we are using metro tiles. We need 400 square meters of metro tiles. 400 square meters, and a square meter costs 7,000 naira. So 7,000 multiplied by 400 is giving us 2,800,000 naira. The top ridge, we need 40 square meters. 40 square meter, and a square meter costs 6,500 naira. So 6,500 naira multiplied by 40 is giving us 260,000 naira. We need gum, 4 gums, and a gum costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail. This 2 inches nail is different from the other one we've been using, and we need 1 bag, and a bag costs 55,000 naira. 55,000 multiplied by 1 is giving us 55,000 naira. So for the roofing sheet, we need 3,127,000 naira. 3,127,000 naira. Now the workmanship, the installation of this roofing sheet, we need 500,000 naira. 500,000. So 500,000 plus 3,127,000 naira is giving us 3,627,000 naira. 3,627,000 naira. Now let's move over to the piping. The piping for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need Licosin pipe. We need 18 bundles of Licosin pipe, and 1 bundle costs 12,000 naira. So 12,000 multiplied by 18 is giving us 216,000 naira. We need U-box. We need 8 U-box, and 1 costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 8 is giving us 24,000 naira. We need 3 by 3 Noka box. 3 by 3 Noka box, and we need 16 packets of this 3 by 3 Noka box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 16 is giving us 48,000 naira. Then we need 3 by 6 Noka box, 3 by 6 Noka box, and we need 12 packets, and 1 packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 12 is giving us 36,000 naira. We need looping box. We need 4 packets of looping box, and 1 packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need cooker units. We need 2 cooker units. 1 cooker unit costs 6,500 naira. So 6,500 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 13,000 naira. We need coupler. We need coupler with 2 packets of coupler, and 1 costs 3,000. So 3,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 6,000 naira. We need control switch. The control switch, 2 packets of control switch, and 1 packet costs 83,000 naira. So 83 multiplied by 2 is giving us 166,000 naira. So for the piping, we need a total of 521,000 naira. 521,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira for the workmanship. So 100,000 naira plus 521,000 naira is giving us 621,000 naira. 621,000 naira. Now let's move over to the plastering. The plastering for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need cement, 200 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 200 is giving us 1,900,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6 tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 12 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 12 is giving us 840,000 naira. We need mud, the mud sand. We need 3 trips of this mud sand, and this trip, a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70 multiplied by 3 is giving us 210,000 naira. Okay, 210,000 naira. So when you add everything up for the plastering, we have 2,950,000 naira. 2,950,000 naira. And then the workmanship for this plastering, we need 1.8 million naira. 1,800,000 naira. 1,800,000 naira. So when you add 1,800,000 naira to 2,950,000 naira, is giving us 4,750,000 naira. 4,750,000 naira. Now let's move over to the wiring. Wiring for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 1 mm yellow wire, 10 bundles of 1 mm yellow wire, and a bundle costs 21,000 naira. So 21,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 210,000 naira. We need 1.5 red, 20 bundles of 1.5 red, and a bundle costs 29,000. So 29,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 580,000 naira. We need 1.5 black, 14 bundles of 1.5 black, and a bundle costs 29,000 naira. So 29,000 multiplied by 14 is giving us 406,000 naira. We need 2.5 red, 14 bundles of 2.5 red, and a bundle costs 48,000 naira. So 48,000 multiplied by 14 is giving us 672,000 naira. We need 2.5 black, 14 bundles of 2.5 black, and a bundle costs 48,000 naira. 48,000 multiplied by 14 is giving us 672,000 naira. We need 6 mm red, 6 mm red, 6 bundles of 6 mm red, and a bundle costs 118,000 naira. So 118,000 naira multiplied by 6 is giving us 708,000 naira. Then we need 6 mm black, 6 bundles of 6 mm black, and a bundle costs 118,000 naira. So 118,000 naira multiplied by 6 is giving us 708,000 naira. We need TV cable, 6 bundles of TV cable, and a bundle costs 16,500 naira. So 16,500 multiplied by 6 is giving us 99,000 naira. So when you add everything up for this wiring, we have 4,055,000 naira. 4,055,000 naira. Then the workmanship will need 300,000 naira. 300,000 naira plus 4,055,000 naira is giving us 4,355,000 naira. 4,355,000 naira for the wiring for this 6-bedroom duplex. Now let's move over to the screeding. The screeding for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need POP paints, 46 drums of this POP paint, and a drum costs 5,500 naira. So 5,500 naira multiplied by 46 is giving us 253,000 naira. 253,000 naira. We need 50 kg top bond, 50 kg top bond, and we need two 50 kg top bond, and one costs 126,000 naira. So 126,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 252,000 naira. We need water seal. The water seal, we need 2, and one costs 12,000 naira. So 12,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 24,000 naira. We need cement, 7 bags of cement, and this bag of cement costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied by 7 is giving us 70,000 naira. So for the screeding for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need 599,000 naira. 599,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 600,000 naira. So 600,000 plus 599,000 naira is giving us 1,199,000 naira. 1,199,000 naira. Let's move over to the painting. The painting for this 6-bedroom duplex, we need satin paint. We are using the satin paint. So the satin paint, we need 19 drums of this satin paint. We need 19 drums of this satin paint, and one drum costs 60,000 naira. So 60,000 multiplied by 19 is giving us 1,140,000 naira. 1,140,000 naira. Then the workmanship, 350,000 naira. 350,000 naira. So 350,000 naira plus 1,140,000 naira is giving us 1,490,000 naira. 1,490,000 naira for the painting. Now let's move over to the tiles. So for the tiles, the living rooms and the dining, we need 200 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles. So depending on different color, different sizes, different, so that will also determine the price. Okay, for this one, this 60 by 60, this type of tiles we're buying is 6,000 naira for one carton. So one carton is 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 200 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. Then for the rooms, we are using the same 60 by 60 tiles and the same color. and we need 290 cartons, 290 carton, and one carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 290 is giving us 1,740,000 naira. Then the kitchen and the bedroom is the same type of tiles, the same type. So the kitchen, we need 50 cartons of 25 by 40 tiles. 50 cartons of 25 by 40 tiles, and one carton costs 5,000 naira. So 5,000 multiplied by 50 is giving us 250,000 naira. Then the bedrooms, all the bedrooms in the building, we need 70 cartons of 25 by 40 tiles, and that costs 5,000 naira. So 5,000 multiplied by 70 is giving us 350,000 naira. The staircase is the same thing with the rooms, the sitting room, the living room. So the staircase, we need 25 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles, and that costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 25 is giving us 150,000 naira. Then the veranda, the balcony, all these other places is the same type of tiles. We need 200 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles for the verandas and the balcony, and that costs, one carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 200 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. Then the lobby, all the lobbies, we need 200 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles, one 60 by 60. So, and one carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 200 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. So for the tiles, we need 6,090,000 naira. 6,090,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 160,000 naira. So 160,000 naira plus 6,090,000 naira is giving us 6,250,000 naira. 6,250,000 naira. Now let's move over to the doors. Okay, for the doors, for the main doors, we are using Spanish doors. Okay, Spanish doors, and we need two, and then one costs 580,000 naira. So 580,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 1,160,000 naira. Then for the kitchen doors, the room doors, all the doors in between, we are using panel doors, and we need 10 panel doors, and one costs 120,000 naira. 120,000 naira multiplied by 10 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. 1,200,000 naira. Then for all the toilet doors, we need seven toilet doors, and we are also using panel door. Okay, but this one is the one of 115,000 naira. You know, so these doors, even if it's Spanish door, they have different quality, different, you know, so even different sizes, right? So the prices, it might be the same Spanish door or the same panel door, but the prices will be different. Okay, the prices may be different. So for the toilet doors, we are using the same panel doors, and we need seven panel doors, but this one we are buying is 115,000 naira. So 115,000 naira multiplied by 7 is giving us 805,000 naira. 805,000 naira. So for the doors, we need a total of 3,165,000 naira. 3,165,000 naira. Workmanship, that is the installation of these doors, we need 350,000 naira. 350,000. So if you add 350,000 naira to 3,165,000 naira, is giving us 3,515,000 naira. 3,515,000 naira. Now let's move over to the plumbing. We need 14 lengths of 3/4 pipes. 14 lengths of 3/4 pipe, and a length costs 2,500 naira. So 2,500 multiplied by 14 is giving us 35,000 naira. We need 15 lengths of half pipes. 15 lengths of half pipes, and one length costs 2,500 naira. 2,500 naira multiplied by 15 is giving us 37,000 naira. We need 22 meters of Henko pipe. 22 meters of Henko pipe, and 1 meter costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 22 is giving us 15,400 naira. We need 35 quarter elbow, 35 pieces of quarter elbow, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 35 is giving us 7,000 naira. We need 36 quarter T, 36 quarter T, and one costs 300 naira. So 36 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 300 is giving us 7,800 naira. We need 11 quarter by half elbow. Quarter by half elbow, we need 11, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 11 is giving us 2,200 naira. We need 8 quarter by half T, and one costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 8 is giving us 2,400 naira. We need quarter by half MSF elbow, and we need 8, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 8 is giving us 1,600 naira. Then we need 1.5 tea and we need 16. 16 1.5 tea and one costs 400 naira. So 400 naira multiplied by 16 is giving us 6,400 naira. We need 8 Henko MSF elbow, 8 Henko MSF elbow and one costs, and we need 8 and one costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 8 is giving us 16,000 naira. We need another 8 Henko elbow and one costs 2,000 naira. 2,000 multiplied by 8 is giving us 16. We need 1.5 bend, 33 1.5 bend and one costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 33 is giving us 9,900 naira. We need 8 1.5 floor drain, 8 1.5 floor drain and one costs 1,000 naira. 1,000 multiplied by 8 is giving us 8,000 naira. We need medium agbo gum, medium agbo gum one, and we need 2 and one costs 9,000 naira. 9,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 18,000 naira. So for the plumbing we need a total of 182,700 naira. 182,700 naira. Then workmanship we need 160,000 naira. 160,000 naira. So 160,000 naira plus 182,700 naira is giving us 342,700 naira. 342,000.
Now let's move over to the windows. For the windows for all the rooms, we need 1,200 by 1,200 and we need 12 windows, and each of these 1,200 by 1,200 costs 145,000 naira. So 145,000 naira times 12 is giving us 1,740,000 naira. Then for the bedrooms, we need 600 by 750, 600 by 750 windows and without burglary, and we need 7 and each one costs 60,000 naira. So 60 multiplied by 7 is giving us 1,015,000 naira. Then for the kitchen window, we need 1,200 by 1,200 and we need 1, and 1 costs 145,000 naira, giving us 145,000 naira. For the ante room, we need 1,200 by 1,200 and we need 2 sets of windows, and 1 costs 145,000 naira. So 145,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 290,000 naira. Then for the main living room, we also need 1,200 by 1,200 and we need 3 sets, and 1 costs 145,000 naira. So 145,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 435,000 naira. Then for the dining, we need 1,200 by 1,200, 1,200 by 1,200, and that one costs 145,000 naira, giving us 145,000 naira. For the family lounge upstairs, we need 1,200 by 1,200 and we need 3, and 1 costs 145,000 naira, giving us, so 145,000 naira multiplied by 3 is giving us 435,000 naira. Then for the staircase, we need 900 by 1,700, 900 by 1,700, and we need 1, and 1 costs 170,000 naira. So 170 multiplied by 1 is giving us 170,000 naira. So for all the windows, we need a total of 4,375,000 naira. 4,375,000 naira. Then for workmanship, we need 600,000 naira. So 600,000 plus 4,375,000 is giving us 4,975,000 naira. 4,975,000 naira. Now let's add everything up. From foundation to DPC, we got a total of 7,777,000 naira. For German floor, we got a total of 3,450,000 naira. For the ground floor, we got a total of 7,557,000 naira. For the decking, we got a total of 9,107,000 naira. For the first floor, we got a total of 6,292,000 naira. For the parapet, we got a total of 3,111,500 naira. For the roofing, that is the woodwork, we got a total of 2,650,000 naira. For the roofing sheet, we got a total of 3,627,000 naira. For the piping, we got a total of 621,000 naira. For the plastering, we got a total of 4,750,000 naira. For the wiring, we got a total of 4,355,000 naira. For the screeding, we got a total of 1,199,000 naira. For the painting, we got a total of 1,490,000 naira. For the tiles, we got a total of 6,250,000 naira. 6,250,000 naira. For the doors, we got a total of 3,515,000 naira. For the Plumbing, we got a total of 342,700 naira. 342,700 naira. For the windows, we got a total of 4,975,000 naira. 4,975,000 naira. So the total cost of building a 6-bedroom duplex here in Nigeria in January 2025 is 71,069,200 naira. 71,069,200 naira. This is excluding transportation, water, the finishing like the WCs, the water heater, the cabinet, the wardrobe, the all of that, even the light. This is excluding all of that. Okay, we got a total of 71,069,200 naira.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comments section. Okay, if you need a very good engineer to handle your building projects here in Nigeria, I will highly recommend engineer Mewerium. His phone numbers will always be on the screen, also in the description box. Okay, make sure to contact him. All right, okay guys, please like this video so that more people can see it. Okay, and help me share with your friends, your family members, anyone at all you know will find this video helpful. Please help me share with them. Okay, and subscribe to the channel. Why haven't you subscribed? Please subscribe for more information like this. Subscription is absolutely free. Okay, so please subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys so much. If you have any question, put it down for me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.